Mr. President. A TimTim.Live presentation. Konpa to the world. A humble plea for mercy. Mr. President, I am an American citizen, a husband, a father, a Haitian American. I had proudly worked and in the first line of defense against active shooters, whether domestic or foreign, to protect federal employees, government facilities, and visitors to federal buildings in Washington, D.C. That service taught me to respect the Constitution, the rule of law, and the responsibilities entrusted to those who protect our nation.
We hear you
With grateful hearts,
we stand
in hope. This is not a political letter. It is not a legal challenge. I respect your office, our Constitution, the Supreme Court, and America's laws. I write for only one reason: to respectfully ask for mercy.
mercy for families who trusted America.
Mr. President, many Haitian families did not create the humanitarian parole program. They simply followed the lawful process created by the United States government. They found sponsors, completed every application, received authorization, and entered legally through approved ports of entry.
They came with hope not to break the law, but to follow it. Justice
Protects,
a nation.
mercy
Mercy
defines.
its greatness.
Mr. President, I am not asking for mercy for criminals. Anyone who has committed crime should answer before the law. My humble appeal is only for families who acted in good faith and followed the very process the United States government had established.
Good people working, praying, serving, hoping.
Believing. As a little boy growing up in Haiti, America represented hope. This nation educated me, changed my life, allowed me to build a career, raise my family, and serve others. For that, I will always be grateful.
Thank you
America,
for opening
your heart
history
will remember
that you worked to secure.
America's borders
My prayer
is that history
will also remember
that when law-abiding families stood before you, you found a lawful way to extend mercy without abandoning principle.
justice
Protects,
a nation.
mercy
Mercy
defines.
its greatness.
Mr. President, thank you for your service, your time, and your consideration. May God bless you.
May God bless your family.
May God bless the United States of America. And may God bring peace, hope, and healing to Haiti. Every village has a song. Every family has a story. Every creator deserves to be heard. Share your melodies with the world. Konpa to the world.
Konpa to the world.
TimTim.Live.
Thank you for listening.
God bless America.